Hi, are you Shannon?
Yes.
I'm Amanda. I'm a graduate nurse practitioner student. I'm going to be doing your exam today. Before we start, can you confirm your name and date of birth?
Yes, it's Shannon Weaver, and my date of birth is 03/23/1976.
Okay, before we start, do you have any cultural preferences I need to be aware of?
None.
What brings you into the clinic today?
I've been having burning pain in my chest.
Okay, when did the chest pain start?
About 2 years ago.
Okay.
It's gotten worse in the last 4 months.
Okay, can you point to the location of the pain?
Yeah, just in my chest and then in my neck.
Okay. About how long does each episode of pain last?
Usually every day and then an hour after meals.
Okay. Can you describe the characteristic of your pain?
Just burning.
Burning pain. Okay. Are there any things that make your pain worse?
Yeah, just lying down, waking up at night, and then eating big meals. It seems to get worse after that.
Okay. Any other symptoms associated with the pain?
Just a sore throat, and I have acidic taste in my mouth, and drainage, and then sometimes it feels like there's something in my throat.
Okay. Does anything make it better?
Cimetidine used to help, but not in the past 4 months, and then antacids help, but only for a short time.
Okay. What kind of antacids are you taking?
I take 1,000 milligrams of Tums,
Mm-hmm.
2 to 3 tablets whenever the pain starts.
Okay. When's the last time you took those?
At noon today.
And they helped your pain today?
Yes.
Okay. As far as the timing goes, does the pain occur at a certain time of day or after you do something, or when is the pain?
Just after eating, and it's worse at night.
Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the worst pain that you've ever had in your life, and 1 being no pain, how bad would you rate your pain?
5 out of 10.
Okay. What allergies do you have?
Just penicillin.
Okay. What does that do to you?
Gives me a rash.
And when did you have that?
Just as a child.
Okay. Besides the Tums, tell me what other current medications that you take every day.
Okay. I take the Cimetidine, 800 milligrams daily. And I take the...
When did you last take that?
Last night.
Okay.
I take the albuterol inhaler just as needed, and I last took that last week.
Okay.
I take simvastatin, 10 milligrams daily, and then that was taken last night for high cholesterol.
Okay. Any over-the-counter drugs that you take?
Just ibuprofen.
Okay. And do you know the dose on that?
I do not.
How many tablets do you generally take at a time?
Usually 2, just
Okay.
for a headache.
For a headache? And when's the last time you took that?
Yesterday.
And about how many times a week would you say that you take that ibuprofen?
Just a couple times a week.
Okay. Do you take any vitamins?
No.
Any herbal supplements?
No.
Okay. Tell me about your past medical history and any pertinent problems that you've had in the past.
Okay. I've had asthma before, and it's controlled, and I use an inhaler once about every other week.
Okay. Have you ever been hospitalized for an asthma attack?
No.
When was your last asthma attack?
A couple weeks ago.
Okay. And any other problems?
High cholesterol.
Okay. When were you diagnosed with that?
A couple years ago.
Okay. Have you had your cholesterol checked recently?
Yes, about 6 months ago.
Okay. Do you know what it was then?
I'm not sure.
Any other medical history?
No.
Okay, we're going to move on to health screenings and immunizations. Are your childhood immunizations up to date?
Yes.
Have you had a flu shot this season?
Yes.
Have you had any other vaccines, pneumonia, shingles, any of those?
No.
Have you had a dentist visit recently?
Yes, about 6 months ago.
Okay, everything normal there?
Yes.
And what about a vision screen?
Yes, about 6 months ago.
Okay, and you said your cholesterol was checked about 6 months ago as well?
Yes.
Okay, any other screenings that you've had?
No.
Okay, now we're going to move on to your family history. I'll name a family member. You tell me how old they are or the age they died. Any pertinent medical information, okay?
Okay.
Your mom's dad.
He is, I'm not sure because she was adopted.
Okay, so you don't have any information on either one of her parents, okay? What about your dad's mom?
She is still living, and she's 84, and she has no major health problems.
Okay, what about your dad's dad?
He passed away at age 80 from a heart attack.
Okay, what about your father?
He is still living, and he's 57, and he has no major health problems.
Okay, what about your mom?
She is deceased from breast cancer at age 49.
Okay, what about any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother. He's 25 with no major health problems.
Okay, and do you have any children?
No.
Okay, now I'm going to move on and ask you a few questions just about your life. Are you married?
Yes.
And who do you live with?
My wife.
Okay. How often do you use tobacco products?
Never.
How often do you use alcohol?
Never.
How often do you use illicit drugs?
Never.
Have you ever served in the military?
No.
What is your highest level of education?
Bachelor's degree.
And what kind of work do you do?
I'm a banker.
Okay. Have you traveled outside of the country in the past 6 months?
No.
And how many sexual partners have you had?
1.
Okay. Now I'm just going to ask you a few questions, and you just answer yes or no, okay?
Okay.
As far as your throat goes, have you had a sore throat?
Yes.
Yes, you mentioned that.
Yes.
What about hoarseness?
Sometimes.
Okay. Have you had trouble swallowing?
No.
What about a runny nose?
Yes, just a little bit down the back.
Okay. Any other problems with your throat?
No.
Or nose? Okay. Now we're going to move on to your lungs. Have you had any wheezing?
No.
Coughing?
No.
You haven't had a cough?
Excuse me, yes, I have.
Okay. Any trouble breathing?
No.
Are you able to walk up 2 flights of stairs without getting short of breath?
Yes.
Okay. Have you been coughing up any blood?
No.
Okay. Any other chest problems?
Just the burning.
Okay. So okay. You've been having chest pain, burning. Any other chest pain?
No.
Okay. Have you had any feeling like your heart's beating irregular?
No.
What about heart beating fast?
No.
Have you had any swelling in your ankles?
No.
Have you noticed any hair loss?
No.
Any dizziness?
No.
Okay. What about, have you noticed a fever?
No.
Chills?
No.
Night sweats?
No.
Nausea?
No.
Vomiting?
No.
Have you had any abdominal pain?
No.
What about your bowel movement? So when the last time you had a bowel movement was?
Just earlier today.
Okay. What was the consistency of that? Was it form? Was it liquid?
It was firm.
Okay. And what color was it?
Brown.
About how often do you have a bowel movement?
Usually twice a day.
Okay. Now tell me about your diet. What kind of diet do you eat?
Okay. Usually I eat bacon and eggs for breakfast. Eat out just at a restaurant for lunch. And my wife usually cooks a big meal for supper. Usually we have some kind of protein with that, and then some vegetables and bread.
Okay. Have you had any cramping in your stomach?
No.
Okay. No constipation?
No.
Have you had any diarrhea?
No.
Okay. Any other problems with your stomach?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna have you come sit right here in my chair.
Okay.
And the first thing I'm gonna do, since you've had some problems with your burning and hoarseness in the back of your throat, I'm just gonna look in your throat.
Okay.
Can you stick out your tongue and say ah? Ah. Okay. And I'm gonna also look at your cheek. Just not for me to see if you've had any acid erosion. And I don't see any there. Okay, I'm gonna ask you now, I'm gonna move on to your chest. Would you mind taking your shirt off for me?
Okay.
And I'm going to kind of get you to turn so I can see your back here.
Okay.
So have a seat.
Okay.
Okay. All right. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of look if you'll just breathe normal. Good. All right. I'm just going to feel back here on your chest. Make sure I don't feel anything abnormal. I'm going to place my hands on your back now, and I need you to say 99 for me. Do you feel them, okay?
99. 99, 99, 99.
Can you turn a little more, just like in the chair? So I can get you right there. You go. Okay? And now I'm just going to ask you to take a deep breath in and out. Good. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap on your back. So I'm just listening to the sound. Okay. Now I'm going to listen to you with my stethoscope.
Okay.
Alright, just breathe in and out for me. Okay, and if you would turn and face front, I'm going to listen to your front. don't hear anything abnormal, I don't find anything abnormal with your respiratory system, I'm going to get you to move on to the couch here.
Okay.
And I'm going to listen to your heart. The first thing that I'm going to do, lay down for me, please, is I'm just going to look at your chest to see if I see anything abnormal. Just relax your head back for me. I'm going to look at your neck here. And I don't see anything abnormal. I'm going to feel now to see if I feel anything, any abnormal vibrations in your chest. And I don't feel any. Next, I'm just going to listen to your heart.
Okay.
I'm going to listen with the other side of my stethoscope. Okay. And if you just tilt your head back, I'm going to listen up here in your neck. I'm also going to take a look down here at your feet. I see normal hair growth. I don't see any swelling in your feet. I'm going to feel your pulses here on the back of your legs and up here. And that looks normal. Now I'm just going to, I'm going to look at your stomach to see if I see anything abnormal there. And I don't. I'm going to go ahead and listen.
Okay.
I'm going to listen to several spots on your belly. And I'm going to listen right here in the middle to your abdominal aorta. Both sides of my stethoscope. Okay. Next what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tap on your tummy like I did over there on your back. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to feel first light. And then I'm going to go a little deeper, and if you will, just tell me if you feel any pain, okay?
Okay.
Okay, either way. A little more. There we go. And now I'm going to just feel a little bit deeper. Let me know if you feel any pain here. Okay, thank you. You can sit up. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay, we'll discuss our findings.